Researchers entail knowledge, skills, expertise, dedication, passion, and effort in exploring the world of knowledge, answering countless queries, and keeping abreast in the research arena. On behalf of Embracing the Culture of Research, Educational Research Center Philippines, in collaboration with various local and international partner institutions and organizations, it is my honor and privilege to welcome you all for this series of international research, capability building, seminar workshop, COM, international research conference, and paper presentations. A little background. EdCur Educational Research Center, Incorporated is a non-government, humanitarian, social, and professional organizations promoting research culture through its various research innovations, initiatives, and advocacies. One of its initiatives is through this International Research Capability Building Seminar Workshop. It will never be made possible without the brilliant minds of Dr. Richard Sanchez, founder and head research consultant, Engineer Luisito Lolong Lacatan, national consultant for research trainings, and Dr. Barola Safi, international research consultant, as well as with our dedicated committee members, moderator, Ms. Carly May Sueco, resource speaker, Dr. Mildred Crisostomo, Co-Chairperson, Dr. Alan Peno, panel members, Dr. Marbeth Cabrejas, Ms. Catherine Allen Nabon, and Dr. Idilhini Hambangan. Paper presenters, Shensheng Wang, Hongling Wo, and Guanming Lu, you as our attendees, members and non-members of EdCur. This conference serves as a platform and academic freedom to explore the research arena, share expertise, learn from the experts, and relearn the basics of research. Let us keep the fire of research burning with us and make research a piece of cake as the world is in need of the research warriors.